In this video, we'll talk about how to use apple cider vinegar for a detox. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various health conditions, and it can also be an effective tool for detoxification. Detoxification is a process of eliminating toxins from your body. Toxins are substances that can harm your body's normal functions and cause various health problems. These toxins can come from the food you eat, the air you breathe, and even from the products you use on your skin. Fortunately, apple cider vinegar can help with the detoxification process. It is rich in acetic acid, which can bind to toxins and help eliminate them from the body. Here are some of the benefits of using apple cider vinegar for detox. First, apple cider vinegar can help boost your metabolism, which can aid in weight loss. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels, which can help you avoid sugar crashes and cravings. Second, apple cider vinegar can help improve digestion. It can help break down fats and proteins in the food you eat, which can improve nutrient absorption and reduce bloating. Third, apple cider vinegar can help boost your immune system. It contains antioxidants that can help protect your body from free radical damage. So, how can you use apple cider vinegar for detox? One way is by mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with water and drinking it before meals. This can help aid in digestion and boost metabolism. You can also add a teaspoon of honey for added flavor. Another way to use apple cider vinegar for detox is by making a detox drink. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a dash of cayenne pepper in a glass of warm water. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also use apple cider vinegar as a salad dressing or in cooking. This can help add a tangy flavor to your meals and aid in digestion. Another way to use apple cider vinegar for detox is by adding it to a bath. Mix 1 cup of apple cider vinegar with warm water and soak for 20 minutes. This can help eliminate toxins through your skin and help you feel more relaxed. To get the best results from apple cider vinegar detox, it's recommended to use it for 1 to 2 weeks. However, if you have any medical conditions or concerns, be sure to consult with your doctor before trying any new health regimen. Additionally, it's important to note that excessive consumption of apple cider vinegar can have negative side effects, such as tooth enamel erosion and digestive problems. Therefore, it's recommended to consume apple cider vinegar in moderation and dilute it with water before drinking. While apple cider vinegar can be a great natural remedy for detoxification, it's important to remember to consume it in moderation, dilute it with water, and consult with your doctor if you have any concerns. Try out these recipes and see how they work for you. If you want more apple cider vinegar information, read the description or watch this next video.